Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video I'm gonna show you how to use overlay and CapCut. So here I've already added a main video to CapCut, and to use the overlay you need to click on overlay options at the bottom and then click on add overlay. So actually you can add photo or video overlay to your main video, but now I'm going to add a video overlay. So just find the overlay in your gallery. For example, I want to add this overlay from the CapCut. For example, I want to add this love overlay. So just click on the clips that you want to add. Okay, so I've already added the overlay video. You can adjust the size like this, and then what you need to do is click on splice and then choose the one that fits your need the most. For example, I want to use the overlay, and you can lower it so that the overlay doesn't seem to ruin the main video. So I'm going to go with 30 and I click on the check icon, and you can also split it so that it aligns with the main video, and it'll go like this. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click thanks, like this video, comment and subscribe if you haven't done that. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.